Hey there, here's how to set up your account, add products, and manage orders. Let's go. At first, you have to go to our website, rewago.in, and on top, click the Join as Seller button. Then you will be redirected to the Login or Sign Up page. If you want to create an account, click Join Now, or if you already have an account, click the Login button by entering your email and password. After clicking the Join Now button, enter your name, then enter your desired shop name, and this name will be displayed under your products. After that, enter your email address, password, and you have to confirm your password and verify the CAPTCHA and click Create My Account. Then your account will be created and will be under verification. After we approve your account from our side, you would be able to access your account, but to see all your progress, you have to verify your email. After doing all this, you would be able to see your dashboard where you can see all your overall sales, store statistics, where you can see how many products have been approved, disapproved, and pending for approval. And also you would be able to see your total earnings by giving the date of starting your sales and the present date. And below you can see the recent orders, top sold products, and out of stock products. After that, you have to go to the Profile tab and click My Account. Here you have to fill all your details. You need to provide your store address. This is the location from where you'll be dispatching your products or where a delivery team will come and collect them. Then enter your city, country, your zip code, your contact number, and you have to enter a short and detailed store description. And if you wish to give any seller policy, you can add that too. And on the right side, you'll find options to upload your images. First, upload a clear photo of yourself. This photo will not be displayed on the website. It's for our personal verification. Next, upload your shop's logo, so your store has its own identity on the platform. Lastly, you can add a store banner which will appear at the top of your store page on the website. Then click Save Changes. After that, you have to go to Profile tab, and under that, select Payment Details. Here under the Payment section, make sure to select Bank Wire Transfer as your payment method. Then, enter your bank details carefully. That's the account where you'll get your sales amount. Please make sure everything's accurate, since any mistakes could delay your payment. And click Save. After that, you're all set to start listing your products. To list them, just click on the Products tab, and then select Product Listing from the drop-down. From there, click on Add Product. Then you'll need to enter the product name, and before that, there are some things you need to follow while giving the product name. If your product falls under the clothing category, please follow this format. Brand, gender, fit, color, category size. Example, Zara Women's Casual White Shirt L size. This helps us keep product listings consistent and easy for customers to browse. Then you should select the product type from the drop-down menu, and after that you should give a description for your cloth. Example, this Zara Women's Casual White Shirt features a clean, timeless design with a relaxed fit, making it perfect for both everyday wear and smart casual outings. And you should also give the chest size and length of the product in inches under the description. Example, chest 34 inch, length 30 inch. Next, select the tag that best matches your product. Tags help customers find your product easily when they search or browse categories, so make sure to choose the one that fits your item best. Then enter the approximate weight of the product in kilogram. After that, you have to enter the price of the product. Under the price field, you should enter the total amount that includes the delivery charge and our 10% commission, and the amount you wish to receive for the product. So the price you enter should be the sum of these three components. In the Compare It Price field, you should enter the actual price you bought the product for. Once that's done, you'll need to set the quantity for your product. To do this, first go to the Inventory section. Under the Track Inventory, select the option Track This Inventory. After that, enter the quantity you want to make available for sale. In the next step, go to the Variant Details section and click on Add Variant. The first option name you should enter is size, and the second should be color. After entering the option names, you'll need to add the corresponding variant values. For size, you can add values like S, M, L, XL, etc. And for color, you can include options like black, white, blue, and so on. This setup allows customers to easily choose the right size and color while placing their order. The next important step is uploading images of your product. You are required to upload 3 photos for each product. If your product falls under the clothing category, the first image should ideally be a high-quality image source from the internet, such as from a brand's website or a high-quality image taken from Google. If that's not available, you can upload a background-removed image of the actual product instead. If you've used an image taken from Google as the first one, then the second image should be a clear front view of your actual product. However, if you've used a background-removed image as the first image, you don't need to upload the front view again. The third image should always show the back view of the product. Please make sure all photos taken by you are clear and properly focused. Avoid uploading blurry or low-quality images, as they negatively affect the customer's experience. After that, go to the Collections section. Under Collections, select the brand of the product from the drop-down menu. If the brand is not listed, choose Other Brands from a list. Below that, you will need to select the appropriate product category that best fits the item. The available categories are casual, formal, active, kids, ethnic, denim, winter, and party. Make sure to choose both the brand and category carefully, as this helps in organizing the products accurately and improves their visibility to customers. After all that, you can now click on Save Changes, and just like that, you've completed uploading your product. After setting up your store, head over to Configuration, then click on Shipping Methods. From there, enable Delivery Shipping. This will ensure your orders are automatically synced with Delivery. Now, when you receive an order, go to the Orders section. You'll see all your current orders listed here. To ship a product, click on the three dots under the Action tab, then click View. Next, click on Proceed to fulfill order, and then select Fulfill Now. Under the fulfillment method, choose Delivery Shipping. Check the box that says Agree to fulfill order by selected method, then click Agree and Fulfill. Once done, your order pickup will be scheduled, and you'll receive a tracking number, also known as the AWB number. If you have a printer, you can print the delivery label and paste it on the package. If not, simply write the AWB number and delivery address manually on the package. Please remember, if you have more than one order, you'll need to repeat these steps for each of them. Finally, to ensure pickup, go back to Shipping Methods, click on Delivery, and then click on Pickup Request. Select your preferred date and time, then click Save. Once that's done, our delivery team will arrive at your pickup location and collect the package for delivery. So sellers, we hope this video helped you out and made things easier to understand.